Hello and welcome to today's lesson with Teacher Michelle. Today we are going to be learning the letter Y. So before we get to learning how to write the letter Y, let's quickly see what sound does the letter Y make. Can you tell me? Think about it. It's not a letter that we use a lot. Think. You're right. The letter Y makes the sound ya. Almost like a J. You know, J is ja. The letter Y is a ya. Alright. And always remember that your letters come with uppercase letters, the big letters, and the lowercase letters, the baby letters. And we know that the uppercase letters say the name. They tell us which letter we are working with. And the lowercase makes the sound. And that's the important one, because every time we speak, we use the sounds. Alright, so let's get started with the rest of our lesson. Let's look at some words that start with the letter Y. And remember to listen carefully for the Y sound. Please remember to listen carefully and repeat each word as I say them. Yak, yarn, yawn, yellow, yogurt, yo-yo. Now let's learn how to write the letter Y. But first, teacher has already got the magic lines. Can you see them? We have the top line, the middle line, and the bottom line. You must also remember your uppercase letter, the capital letters, will always touch the top line and the bottom line. Your lowercase letters mostly will touch the middle line and the bottom line. But in the case with the letter Y, he has a tail that hangs over the bottom line. So this letter goes past your bottom line. Remember this. Let's start with the uppercase Y. And we're going to start with our pencils on the top line. Can you see the red arrow? Okay, from there we're going to draw a diagonal line to the middle line. And then you're going to stop. Almost like you're doing the letter X, but not yet. Okay, so lift your pencil and then go back to the top line. And now you're going to draw a diagonal line all the way to the bottom line. But you must make sure you touch the point on the middle line where you stopped with your first line. So it almost looks like the letter V, but with a tail. Can you see it? Now we're going to do the lowercase y. And it's not really that much different from your uppercase Y. So we're going to start on the middle line and we're going to draw a diagonal line to the bottom line just like we did with the uppercase letter. And then we're going to go back to the middle line and we're going to draw a diagonal line to the point where you ended your first line on the bottom line and then past it, because the letter Y has a tail that hangs over the bottom line. Now we are going to trace the lowercase y. So we're going to take our pencils and put them on the middle line. Can you see my red arrow? And we're going to draw the diagonal line down to the bottom line and stop. Lift your pencil, go back to the middle line, and now you're going to draw the diagonal line all the way down past the point where you stopped your first line, and then further on for the tail. Good job. All right, class, now we're going to write the letter Y on our own. So I want you to watch carefully. Okay, we're going to start at the middle line by the red arrow. Can you see it? We're going to draw our diagonal line to the bottom line and stop. Lift your pencil, go back to the middle line, and then draw the diagonal line all the way past the bottom line to the tail. Make sure the line touches your first line at the point by the bottom line. Now we are going to go through the words again that we learned at the beginning of the lesson. So I want you to listen carefully. Yak, yarn, yawn, yellow, yogurt, yo-yo. Well done. You guys are really doing good. Well done, class. We have reached the end of our lesson for today. Remember, practice makes perfect. So if you need to, go back and watch the lesson again before completing your activity. Goodbye, and I will see you all in the next lesson. Please remember to subscribe to my page, like and share this video so that all your friends can learn with you.